Simply rub one product into the window seal, and your energy bills will be significantly lower. In autumn and winter, heating costs can put a strain on your household budget. One simple way to reduce them is proper window maintenance. Even new windows can lose their insulating properties if the seals are neglected. Before the first frost arrives, it's a good idea to take a moment to care for them. Check if your windows have an adjustment option. Properly adjusting the pressure of the sash against the frame allows you to adapt them to changing temperatures, significantly improving insulation. The adjustment mechanism is usually located on the window frame and allows for easy modification of the sealing pressure. Before applying any treatment, thoroughly clean the seals from dust and dirt, then wipe them dry with a clean cloth. Only then should you apply technical petroleum jelly. Simply apply a small amount to a dry cloth and rub it evenly into the seals. This will help them remain flexible and better retain heat inside your home.